Made you decide to sponsor Indian Women's Circle Diwali Gala this year?
Well, because Neha, I've become really good friends with her, and I really support all the work she's doing and all the great work she does with Indian Women's Circle. It's a great organization.
Yeah, that's true. And if you had to decide Indian Women's Circle in one word, what would it be?
Health.
True. So, do you have a cherished memory from a past Indian Women's Circle event?
Yes, I was at the one 2 years ago, and I just really enjoyed all the dancing.
Yeah,
And I'm sure tonight will be the same.
I saw you that time. Yeah. So, hi, what's your name?
Pushpa Kohli.
Okay, so how long you have been a part of Indian Women's Circle?
Don't be surprised. Just 6 months.
Oh, so what made you decide to sponsor the Indian Women's Circle Diwali Gala this year?
So my motto was basically I'm a owner of a physiotherapy clinic. So my motto was to spread a little bit about pelvic physiotherapy. So I wanted to meet all the women, make new friends, and tell them a little more about health.
That's great. And what's your favorite part about supporting the Indian Women's Circle and its initiative?
So Indian Women's Circle, I am so glad I found it, first of all, because the minute I went for the first meetup, we were like 20 of us, and it was so easy to make friends. It was like, hi, I'm Kushbu, yeah, and we were just chatting. So it was so good to find new friends here, you know?
That's true. And if you had to describe Indian Women's Circle in one word, what would it be?
Indian Women's Circle brings definitely power. I know that's the theme, but it also brings in friendship and culture. So yeah,
That's-
so happy to connect.
That's true. I hope you enjoy this evening today.
Thank you, and you look pretty too.
My name is Nikita Bula.
How long you have been a part of Indian Women's Circle?
It's been almost 3.5 years.
Wow, that's great. And how's your experience so far with Indian Women's Circle Diwali Gala?
It's really amazing. It's like a second family. You come over here for all events. You look forward, especially today's event
That's great.
is going to be mind-boggling.
And you look amazing.
Thank you so much.
And if you had to describe Indian Women's Circle in one word, what would it be?
Very interactive.
Interactive, yeah, that's true.
I'm Gauri.
Hi Gauri, how long you have been a part of Indian Women's Circle?
I just recently looked it up, saw it when the feed came on Instagram, and I said, how come am I missing this? So I was like, I'm going to be joining this now.
That's great. And if you had to decide Indian Women's Circle in one word, what would it be?
The most awesome thing for women.
That's true. Hi, what's your name?
Smriti,
Hi Smriti, how long you have been a part of Indian Women's Circle?
got a year, and that's great.
And how's your experience so far with Indian Women's Circle Diwali Gala?
Well, it looks beautiful over here, and I'm looking forward to connecting with all the women here, the beautiful women. So far, from my experience, all students have been very warm and friendly, and it makes me like the family.
That's great. And if you had to describe Indian Women's Circle in one word, what would it be?
Connection.
Connection. True. That's true.
My name is Sharon.
And how long you have been a part of Indian Women's Circle?
So I've been a part of Indian Women's Circle for 2 years now. This is our second year sponsoring. Very excited.
And what made you decide to sponsor Indian Women's Circle Diwali Gala this year?
Neha, actually, she's extremely inspiring, and I'd love to see initiatives like this that bring women from different aspects, different communities, all together. I think it's extremely important what she does.
That's true. If you had to describe Indian Women's Circle in one word, what would it be?
Again, inspiring. I'm born and raised in this country, and to see women come together here in such a way, for me, is extremely inspiring. And even though I thought that I would be teaching people things, I'm actually learning a lot. So I appreciate each and every member, and looking forward to having a great night tonight.
Okay. Hi, what's your name?
Kelsey?
Hi, and how long you have been a part of Indian Women's Circle?
I've been following this group for a very while, but this is my first time.
Oh, that's true. And how's your experience so far with Indian Women's Circle, the Disco Diwali Gala?
It's amazing. It's amazing to see like-minded people and so much joy and energy I can already feel.
If you had to describe Indian Women's Circle in one word, what it would be?
I would say it's empowering. It's really empowering to see women getting together and leading the group as a woman and being selected as a top 100 women.
Yeah.
So it's really amazing and empowering for us to get inspired.
Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed today's night.
Hi, my name is Ankita.
Hi Ankita, how long you have been a part of Indian Women's Circle?
This is my first event, and it looks like I'm going to be a part of more events.
Oh,
That's really nice.
And how's your experience so far with Indian Women's Circle Disco Diwali Gala?
Oh, it's amazing. Look at all these beautiful women. It's going to be so much fun tonight.
Hi, what's your name?
Namrata Gandhi.
Hi Namrita, how long you have been a part of Indian Women's Circle?
More than 3-4 years.
Oh, that's nice. And if you had to describe Indian Women's Circle in one word, what would it be?
Wow.
Wow. Just looking like a wow. That's nice. And how's your experience so far with Indian Women's Circle Disco Diwali Gala?
Also, last year, it was my first Diwali event. I met lots of friends, and I'm again with those friends attending second year, like Diwali event.
That's true. I
I'm
hope you
lucky to
enjoy.
make new friends,
Yeah.
And one of my friend was living next door to me, and I came to know only in the event.
Oh, that's great, How long you have been a part of Indian Women's Circle?
All since the very beginning. May has just been absolutely wonderful. When she told me about her vision and her initiatives, I just had to participate and be part of it.
That's true. And if you had to describe Indian Women's Circle in one word, what would it be?
Creative, I think. Very creative.
So what advice would you give to someone thinking about joining the Indian Women's Circle for the first time?
I think what's important is that Indian Women's Circle allows all of us to be able to be with each other, talk to each other, share with each other. Sometimes we have, some of us have great ideas and solutions, some of us have a lot of challenges, and this is how we can all, especially as women, come together and help solve each other's problems. And I think that's the one wonderful thing that Nate has been able to put together.
And what's your favorite part about supporting the Indian Women's Circle and its initiatives?
Oh. I think the favorite part is that we do get to meet so many amazing women from all across Ontario. But also I think the fact that she's been able to connect us to each other and we learn so much from each other. I think that's also very important.
That's true. Hi, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Samya. Hi, Nidhi.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. And how long you have been a part of Indian Women's Circle?
I have been a part of IWC, and I think now 6 years.
And you're also in the coaching.
And I'm also in the core team.
Yes.
Sydney has very good airs.
Yes.
And
Yeah. And how's your experience so far with the Indian Women's Circle Diwali Gala this year?
I think it's been great. This is the 6th Diwali Gala, and I'm so proud to say that I'm a part of this group. This is one group which has been there with me since the very beginning. And this year it's extra special for me because I won the Miss Canada Earth title.
Yes, true. She won the Miss Earth Canada title, right?
So this year it's extra special for me. And being a part of the community, the Indian community, I think I've received a lot of love, a lot of support, a lot of right motivation and guidance from everybody here. So this has been one of the best journeys for me so far. And this community really works together and, helps each other out in whatever capacity possible. Kudos to Neha this time.
That's true. And if you had to describe Indian Women's Circle in one word, what would it be?
I think the one word for me is togetherness. I think we come together as a community, and women supporting women is the best empowerment theme this year, always. So this community actually comes together at the right time.
Hi, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Shivani.
How long have you been part of Indian Women's Circle?
So I have really associated with it for the past 1 year, and I'm loving it so far, making so many new friends.
And how's the experience so far with the Indian Women's Circle Disco Diwali Gala?
Oh my God, it's amazing. The entire setup, the decor, it's like so fabulous.
And if you had to describe Indian Women's Circle in one word, what would it be?
It's so very empowering for the women.
True. Hi, what's your name?
I'm Pooja Jalal.
Hi, Pooja. How long have you been a part of Indian Women's Circle?
I don't remember the year, but I know the time when it was very, very small scale it used to be. And my friend introduced me to Neha. So maybe 7 years. When was it for? Like long back, before COVID, long back, 2019, even before.
Wow, it's so long.
Yeah, so pretty much very long time.
And how's your experience so far with Indian Women's Circle Disco Diwali Gala?
Amazing. I just love this platform because so many people now, how they have bring everyone together, women empowerment and all. So I just love the vibe that all women are supporting each other.
True. And if you had to describe Indian Women's Circle in one word, what would it be?
There's so many words. One word would be really hard to say, but I would say womanhood. Because a sisterhood, womanhood, whatever you want to call that. That
Hashtag Behan Code.
Behan code, yeah. Behan code, that's what.
Yeah. Wonderful today. I hope you enjoy today's evening.
Yeah, and I hope you enjoy my performance. I'm performing today.
Yeah? Like the solo performance is yours? Oh my god. मुझे प्लीज अपने साथ ले जा लो और मुझे भी डांस सिखा दो.
पहले मेरा तो हो जाए.
खतरनाक करोगे आप लग रहे हो मुझे. Next level. Hi, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Janvi.
Hi, Janvi. How long have you been part of Indian Women's Circle?
I'm here only for like 6 months and new. I'm from Hong Kong.
So,
Yeah.
well, that's nice. And how's your experience so far with this Indian Women's Circle Diwali?
Nice. It's a very diverse culture. It's very warm. It's very welcoming. And Neha takes a very good role in it to bring in everybody and connect the bridge. For newcomers like us, it's really important because it makes us connect, the community down here. Yeah, it's a nice experience. So
True. And if you had to describe IWC Indian Women's Circle in one word, what would it be?
bridge.
Right. True. Hi, what's your name?
I'm Dipshika Chaudhary.
Hi, Dipshika. How are you?
I'm very well. I'm even better now that I'm here.
How long have you been part of Indian Women's Circle?
It's been 1 year and 2 months.
You
September
know the exact.
Yeah.
How's the experience so far with the Indian Women's Circle Disco Diwali Gala this year?
It's amazing. I mean, this is a wonderful platform, very empowering, and it's just lovely.
And if you had to describe Indian Women's Circle in one word, what would it be?
Empowering, for sure.
True. Hi, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Meghna Trivedi.
Hi, Meghna. How long have you been part of Indian Women's Circle?
2 years now.
Oh, that's great. And how's the experience so far with Indian Women's Circle Disco Diwali Gala this year?
It's amazing. I really enjoy coming to each and every event. I've been to all meetups. I also try to volunteer for doing some meetups in my region. And this is my third Diwali Gala I'm attending and I'm really
Oh,
excited.
that's really nice. And if you have to describe Indian Women's Circle in one word, what word it would be?
Gives a confidence.
True.
Yeah, and togetherness. So yeah, 2 words I would say.
That's true. Hi, what's your name?
Sumita Kohli.
Hi. How long have you been part of Indian Women's Circle?
So I have been fortunate to know Neha for quite a few years. In my previous roles and other organizations, we had Neha engaged, and I think it's a phenomenal organization. It's very good thing.
Yeah, true. And what made you decide to sponsor Indian Women's Circle Diwali Gala this year?
Well, I think it's a great cause. So Peel Police has supported Indian Women's Circle. Our recruitment team is here as well. And I think it's a phenomenal organization that's supporting a lot of women. It's a safe space for women, women supporting each other. And I think what Neha has created is a fabulous organization. So we're here to support it.
Yeah. And if you had to describe Indian Women's Circle in one word, what word it would be?
I think empowering. I would say empowerment is one of the things that I've been fortunate to come to this gala for many years, and the energy in this room and how women work with each other and connect with each other, that's all empowerment. So I think that's one of my biggest words I would use for Indian Women's Circle.
True. And what excites you most about being a part of Indian Women's Circle?
I think it's an opportunity to meet great people, see the energy of each other. And listen, if in some small way you can help somebody else, connecting, someone else with someone, you never know. Listen, my only thing I ask for women to do is if there's an opportunity where you connect with someone, we're really good at sharing our positive energies, but sometimes it's important to be there when people are also going through tough times. And I think this is the kind of environment for that.
True. Thank you. Name?
Supreet Wada.
And how long have you been a part of Indian Women's Circle?
I have known Neha now for the past 3 years. She invited me first to participate in a panel for International Women's Day for Indian Women's Circle, and I've been so impressed by what she's put together. So I'm so happy to be here to support her and this event.
True. And if you had to describe Indian Women's Circle in one word, what would it be?
Meaningful connectivity. I think that's what it is for women of South Asian origin, Indian women to come together, to support each other, build connections, build a network, and find out how we can bring our women forward and lift each other up.
True. And what excites you most about being a part of Indian Women's Circle?
I think just seeing how much this whole community does for each other, it's very inspiring, and hopefully I'm able to pay it forward in my own role as well.
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Shefali Kapoor.
Hi, Shefali. How are you?
I am doing very well, thank you.
So how long been a part of Indian Women's Circle?
I think I've been a part of Indian Women's Circle forever. It feels forever for sure. I've known Neha for a very, very long time. This is my 6th year sponsoring her event. So I have sponsored her events year on year since 2019.
Whoa, that's huge. So what made you decide to sponsor the Indian Women's Circle this year, Diwali Gala?
So, it's not about this year, that year, last year, next year. I think it's more about, when I initially started sponsoring the events, it was more so for Neha. That's what I thought, that I'm sponsoring it for Neha because she's a friend. But then, year on year, I've been doing that. And now when I think of it, there's a deeper meaning behind it. And the meaning is that somewhere deep within, I support women empowerment. The platform that Neha has provided to all the women to get together, to come together, to bond together, to make friendships together. Look at all these beautiful women smiling, happy, away from home, away from their responsibilities. This is, I think, what I wanted to support, and that's the reason I support every year.
True. And what excites you most about being a part of Indian Women's Circle?
Just how they always have said that a woman is another woman's worst enemy. And that narrative is completely proven wrong when I come to these events. It's absolutely incredible to watch all these beautiful women come together. And I know from Neha's group that they've actually bonded. They're friends here. They found friends for life. They support each other. They help each other with jobs. They help each other with their family issues. It's incredible, isn't it?
True. I totally agree with that. And what one piece of advice you give to the women to make meaningful connection and everything in this job?
Never be jealous of anyone. If you ever see another woman succeeding, think of it as your opportunity or a path for you that you can achieve too. Do not think of it as how is it that she's achieved it and I cannot. Instead, change the definition to if she can do it, I can do it too, and she's actually charted a path for me to get where she is.
True. And if you had to describe Indian Women's Circle in one word, what word it would be?
Mesmerizing.
That's nice. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy today's evening. While you are my favorite in this event.
Aw, thank you. I know I'm going to enjoy it thoroughly. Thank you so much.
What's your name?
My name is Prakriti.
Hi Prakriti. How long have you been part of Indian Women's Circle?
I actually just joined. I got to know it through one of my friends, and she was here last year, so very new to it.
Also welcome.
Thank you.
So how's the experience so far with the Indian Women's Circle Disco Diwali event this year?
Oh, it's been great. I'm really looking forward to the networking and meeting everyone. I'm a new business owner, so really looking forward to meeting.
That's nice. If you had to describe Indian Women's Circle in one word, what would it be?
I would say, lots of fun for now, and I hope to meet more people and
to make more connections.
Yes.
Thank you. Hi, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Nikita.
Hi, Nikita. So, how's it like this event so far?
I think it's so fun. Actually, it's a very good way to unite with other women and to connect with other women to celebrate, Diwali. It's amazing.
And I'm gonna ask you one more question.
Okay.
So, one word to describe Indian Women's Circle.
What?
One word to describe Indian Women's Circle.
Unity.
There you go. That's right. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy.
Hi, my name is Vaishali.
Hi, Vishali. How are you?
I'm very well. Thanks for asking.
And how long you have been part of Indian Women's Circle?
I've been part for quite a while, but this is the first time. But this is really amazing. Good to see the ambience and the way everything is been arranged. It's lovely.
True. And how's the experience so far with Indian Women's Circle Diwali Gala this year?
Wonderful, wonderful. I am really amazed the way everything has been set up. So it's great.
And if you had to describe Indian Women's Circle in one word, so what word it would be?
Absolutely stunning. I would
Stunning.
say, yeah.
That's great. Hi, what's your name?
Simarjeet Madan.
Hi, Simranjit. How
Hi.
long have you been part of this Indian Women's Circle?
It's been about 3 years. Yeah,
That's nice.
that's good.
And how's the experience so far with the Indian Women's Circle Diwali Gala this year?
It's pretty good. I'm loving the vibe. It's awesome. I love the disco theme.
And what made you decide to sponsor the Indian Women's Circle Gala this year?
Well, I'm really great supporter of the whole motto, the empowering of women, and the empowerment of women is one of the themes that's very, very close to my heart. So it's sponsoring something like this. It just brings me so close to what I want to do for the women, and though I don't have much time with my work, so helping Neha do it really helps me achieve my goal.
That's really amazing. And how do you feel today as a sponsor of Indian Women's Circle Diwali Gala?
I feel proud. I feel proud to be part of this beautiful event. Yeah.
And if you had to describe Indian Women's Circle in one word, so what's the word?
Empowerment.
That's right. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Hi, what's your name?
Shruti Paul.
Hi, Shruti. How long you have been part of Indian Women's Circle?
Around 4 years now.
Oh, that's amazing. And how's your experience so far with Indian Women's Circle Disco Diwali Gala this year?
Fantastic.
That's great. And what made you decide to sponsor the Indian Women's Circle Diwali Gala this year?
Because I can't say it enough. When women come together, magic happens. To create the magic, somebody has to take initiative. Somebody has to join hands. So what Neha is doing, I just want to be part of it and join hands so that magic happens.
That's truly true. If you had to describe Indian Women's Circle in one word, what would it be?
Again, it's magical. When, women are there to fix each other's crown, to support each other, that means a lot. And only a woman knows another woman's journey. So it's always important, to understand, come from an understanding point of view rather than judging point of view.
That's true. Thank you so much. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Kirandeep Dhaliwal. My name is Ishata Batra.
And so how long there you have been with Indian Women's Circle?
It's actually our first year. It's been pretty new. This is first time we're actually diamond sponsored this time. Yeah, very new.
So how's your experience with Disco Diwali this year?
It's been pretty amazing. Like, we've never been to a gala like this before, and we're so excited to embark on this journey because it's actually exploring your womanhood with all the, so grateful that we got this chance and this opportunity to, come together to celebrate this event. We're grateful. Thank you so much.
That's really nice. And what made you decide to sponsor Indian Women's Circle Diwali Gala this year?
We actually didn't have any women friends or mentors and anybody, and then we came across one of our friends. She was a sponsor the year before, and she introduced us to Neha, and it's been great since then. Yeah.
And if you had to describe Indian Women's Circle in one word, so what word?
I guess it will be empowerment.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
That's
the main reason we are here for. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. I hope you enjoy.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Hi, what's your name?
Ajita.
Hi, Ajita. How are you?
I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm good. And how long have you been part of Indian Women's Circle?
This is my first year. I just got connected on Facebook, and that's how I read Neha's post, and that's when I came to know about Indian Women's Circle.
That's great. And how's your experience so far with Indian Women's Circle Diwali Gala this year?
It has been just fantastic meeting Indian women, right? Like-minded, and we just want to be together, have fun.
And if you had to describe Indian Women's Circle in one word, so what would it be?
Fantabulous.
Oh, I like it. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy your
Thank you.
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Tej Kane.
How long have you been part of Indian Women's Circle?
This is actually my first event with the Indian Women's Circle, so very excited to be here tonight.
So what made you decide to sponsor the Indian Women's Circle Disco Diwali Gala this year?
You know, a big part of who we are in Miss Mississauga is making sure that we're part of the community and being engaged with the community and also empowering where we can. And so when we found that Indian Women's Circle was taking place, you know, it was a must. It was something that we knew that we needed to come and build those meaningful connections.
That's really true. And how do you feel today as a sponsor of the Indian Women's Circle Diwali Gala?
I am so impressed and amazed by the number of women that are here tonight. Each and every one of them is a true professional, both at home, outside of their home. And I just want to thank all the ladies here tonight for just doing the best they do as a mom, as a sister, as a daughter-in-law. There's so many roles that we play as women, and it's so important that we get to celebrate each other and get to really empower each other moving forward.
Really true. So if you had to describe Indian Women's Circle in one word, what would it be?
Empowerment.
Sure. So what's the one piece of advice you would give to women looking to make meaningful connection and friendship?
Just be yourself, be authentic, be out there, network. You know, your true authentic self is really what's going to shine through, and people want to build those connections with you as who you are as an individual. So just continue to be out there and be yourself and continue to network out in the community.
Hi, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Natalie Hart. I'm the counselor for Ward 5 here in Mississauga.
Oh, that's really nice. And how's your experience so far with the Indian Women's Circle Diwali Gala so far?
It has been a lovely evening. The entertainment has been wonderful. The speeches have been inspiring. The food has been fantastic. And the ladies are absolutely dazzling.
True. And if you had to describe Indian Women's Circle in one word, so what would it be?
Empowering.
True. And what's been your favorite part of the Indian Women's Circle Diwali Gala so far?
Oh, I would have to say the entertainment has been really exciting and lovely so far. I'm looking forward to more of that. But the games have been a lot of fun too.
Yeah, true. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Kala.
Hi, Tala. How are you?
I'm good.
And how long you have been a part of Indian Women's Circle?
It's been 4 years now, and I rigorously follow and join the events, and I love it.
I know. And how's your experience so far with the Indian Women's Circle Diwali Gala this year?
Oh, this is fabulous, and I attended last year and before that as well. It's very good, and I find it each year it's doing better, and you know it's more informative. We find friends, and it's really very good.
If you had to describe Indian Women's Circle in one word, so what word it would be?
Safe space for all women.
Yeah, true. That's really true. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Shilpa Arora.
How are you?
I'm very well, thank you for asking.
How long have you been connected with Indian Women's Circle?
For a very long time, I think probably for the last 6 or 7 years, 6 years maybe as a member.
Oh, that's huge. How's your experience so far with the Indian Women's Circle Diwali Gala this year?
It's phenomenal. It's my first time actually attending the gala, so it's really so much energy. It's so well organized. I mean, Neha always does a good job of everything she does.
True. What made you decide to sponsor the Indian Women's Circle Diwali Gala this year?
So I moved to Canada as a new immigrant as well, and so went through some of the same struggles and hurdles that we talked about earlier. You know, just looking for friends and community to share and take comfort in. And Neha's done such a phenomenal job. I've obviously received a lot and benefited a lot from the community over the years. And so in my capacity at DoorDash, I wanted to make sure that I also show some support to her.
So what's the one piece of advice you would give to women looking to make meaningful connection and friendship?
And I think it's very important to create those safe spaces. And one of the first steps you can take is to start the conversation. So I think it's really important to go find someone new out there and start talking.
That's really true. And if you had to describe Indian Women's Circle in one word, so what would it be?
I just think the word comfort comes to mind, right? There is just so much comfort in knowing someone's going to have a solution for anything you might be struggling with. Someone's going to be able to offer you comfort when you need it the most, because it is such an amazing community.
Yeah. Hi, what's your name?
Karishma Sabarwal.
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing well. How are you?
Thank you. How long have you been part of Indian Women's Circle?
This is my first year, actually.
Oh, that's all right. Welcome.
Thank you.
So how's it feel so far with the Indian Women's Circle Diwali Gala this year?
It's been really awesome, actually, to see so many different women from different backgrounds all come together. It really is one big happy family.
And what made you decide? What made you to decide to sponsor Indian Women's Circle Diwali Gala this year?
As a small business owner myself and having, not many people in the community to look to, I thought it was a good idea to put, sponsorship into an event like this, even if it provides mentorship for others.
True. And how do you feel to be a sponsor of the Indian Women's Circle Diwali Gala?
Proud. It's really nice to see it all come together.
And if you want to give one word to Indian Women's Circle, what would it be?
I think the most important thing would be to reach out, even if you have any questions or you feel alone or anything. There's a whole group of women here that are, here for you.
So what excites you most about being a part of Indian Women's Circle?
The energy, just having a bunch of, fun and excited and powerful women in one room is very exciting.
Sure. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And I hope you enjoy it.
Thank you so much.
Hi, what's your name?
Shahinda Lokanwala.
And how long have you been part of Indian Women's Circle?
This is my third year actually.
And what made you decide to sponsor Indian Women's Circle Diwali Gala this year?
Just looking at women around me, all empowered, all doing so well in life, all successful, and Neha is such a big part of the IWC always.
Sure. And how do you feel today as a sponsor of the Indian Women's Circle Diwali Gala?
Amazing. It's always so much fun, and I'm looking forward to dancing tonight.
Sure. And what's your favorite part about supporting the Indian Women's Circle?
Just meeting other empowered women, just socializing, and of course helping and growing as a community.
And if you had to describe Indian Women's Circle in one word, what would it be?
Empowered.
Sure. What excites you most about being a part of Indian Women's Circle?
Just meeting amazing women. Women like Neha and other women, just meeting a lot of nice people.
And what's one piece of advice you would give to women looking to make friendship?
Just be yourself. Fake friendships don't last. Be yourself and enjoy.
Thank you so much.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Ritti.
Ritti, how are you?
It's been fantastic. I'm doing good, and the event has been so amazing so far.
So how's your experience so far with the Indian Women's Circle Diwali Gala this year?
Absolutely empowering. Being a business owner myself, it's always nice to see other women thriving in their own fields. So kudos to Neha for starting this group, and it's been fantastic.
And if you had to describe Indian Women's Circle Diwali Gala in one word, so what would you say?
I would say it's very empowering.
And what advice would you give to someone thinking about joining the Indian Women's Circle?
I would say it's a great community that supports everyone that joins the group as a member. And if you're looking to find other women who are thriving in their fields, then it's amazing to join the Indian Women's Circle.
Yeah, of course. Hi, what's your name?
Pam Kohar.
How long have you been part of Indian Women's Circle?
Oh, maybe 4 years now.
That's good. What made you decide to sponsor Indian Women's Circle Diwali Gala this year?
I think there is no doubt in my mind that I have to sponsor it. It is such a vibrant community that, I just feel so special to be part of it. It is like, it's lovely to be involved in everything that happens.
True. If you had to describe Indian Women's Circle in one word, so what would it be?
Lively.
Yeah, very strong. And if you had to describe the vibe of the Indian Women's Circle Diwali Gala in 3 words?
Okay, that's hard. Okay, let me try. Fun, colorful, and disco.
Yeah. True, the thesis is also, right? And how do you feel today as a sponsor of Indian Women's Circle Diwali Gaya?
I feel very, very proud to sponsoring this event. I'm very proud that I was able to sponsor it and bring everybody together.
If you had to describe Indian Women's Circle in one word, so what would it be?
Women power.
Power, and how you feel like today, like in the Diwali Gala?
I'm having the time of my life. I am super excited to be here.
Oh, that's speaking. Thank you so much, Nikhil.